Established in 2004, Fujian Nanyun Packing Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and exporter specialized in the design, development, and production of labeling machine, date coding machine, laser marking machine, and related products. We have over 141 employees, covering an area of 46,609 square meters. Annual production capability is 16,500 sets of machines. All of products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. Nanyun products include labeling machine, filling machine, capping machine, metal detector, weight checker, date coding machine, laser marking machine, inkjet printer, hot ink roll, hot stamping ribbon, and related automation lines, widely used in many fields of foodstuffs, pharmaceuticals, beverages, cosmetics, and household paper. Nanyun Company elected as National High and New Technology Enterprise, honored as Province Famous Brand, gained over 20 domestic patents, and passed the CE and ISO 9001. NY brand machines sell well across the country and also exported to America, Spain, Australia, Italy, India, and 30 other countries and regions. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, please feel free to contact us. We welcome all customers around the world to cooperate with us for mutual benefits and developments.